What is going on, everyone? February 11th, and we're going to check out shrimp. SHMP, the hottest penny stock yet. So I just want to zoom out and look at the weekly time frame. This is obviously garbage. Highest volume is recently. I would not trust this in a second. So, going to zoom back to the daily real quick just so you guys can see where this stock is coming from and where it's going. It's ultimately going to go back to zero. It was literally trading at 1 cent, half of a penny, and then all of a sudden it just started going. So let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's see here. Wow. Okay, so story really starts all the way back here when we have the initial run up, comes down, runs back up, comes down, and this is at like 2 cents, right? Runs up to almost 5 cents. So these are huge swings alone within here, right? Huge moves. Then we finally come off. We lose the hourly sideways action, hourly downtrend, downtrend, pop up a little bit, form a higher low, then boom, higher highs. And we hold these higher lows. Now this is important. So if you were watching shrimp, this would have been the level that I was keeping an eye on, right down here. We held that higher low for days, and the buy signal, in my opinion, would have been a break of this level, this previous peak, all the way over here. And as you can see, we gapped up, opened, or we gapped up above it on that open, bull flag, trade sideways, and then boom. Higher highs, higher lows. This was a nice tightening equilibrium pattern. This could have been another awesome buying opportunity as well, a buy signal into this hourly equilibrium. Keep in mind we're still under 5 cents at this point. So here's the high of the run-up, low of the bounce, lower high, higher low, and then it gets even tighter right here. We reject from the high, come down, and then boom. On the break of this equilibrium was another buying signal right at 5 cents. So again, we're on the hourly time frame, so I'm going to zoom out slowly. Huge run up to 8 cents, comes all the way back down, almost to 5, almost gives the whole move back, and then we bounce all the way back up again. So another buy signal, in my opinion, would have been the break of this high right here, right at about 9.4 cents. And from there, we just shoot up. Yeah, this is ridiculous. So when is it going to be over? Obviously, the stock's going to come down, hit 90 cents today, which is pretty incredible. So I'm going to zoom in. It's the hourly time frame. Just trying to see. This actually wasn't so clear. I was trying to see if we had an equilibrium going on here. It's not as clear as the one that was down here. And this was at about 30 cents. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't even touch it at this point, to be honest. Bull flag here, opened up higher. Anytime we break past the previous highs would have been a buy signal, in my opinion. So right here would have been a buy signal. And that's a short scalp right there, but it's still probably 10%. Bull flag, and then obviously we opened up strong. That could have been a buy right at the open. Yeah, I don't know how high this is going, but I would be extremely cautious. Zoom out a little bit to the 4-hour time frame. I mean, all time frames are ridiculously overbought. This screams to me penny stock scam. There's no real validation behind this move. We have a ton of bull volume coming in. I guarantee you this is going to drop at least 50%. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. That's just my thoughts, is we're going to drop 50%. No, this is not a bearish reversal hammer on the daily time frame. So, who knows? We still could see more action, but I will not be the one that bought in at the very top at 90 cents and then sold at 40 cents. I just can't risk that. I did learn on penny stocks, but this, it's run up too much. So if you're looking for an entry in shrimp, I would be cautious. I would not enter. And there's other plays to play, maybe look into something long term, but this, in my opinion, is not a good stock. So I just want to look at the 4 hour again. Let's actually look at the 15-minute. How illiquid is this? It's not too bad. Just want to get a feel for it. Okay, so it's trading like 500,000 every hour. Yeah, it's tough to say. It's tough to say where it's going. And God, this would be great to trade during the day. Yeah, that was a nice play right there. The break of 43 cents. That was a buy. Just looking sideways action here. See, it's not very clear. So we broke support right here. Then we came right back and we broke the resistance all the way up here. So, I mean, that could have been a buy signal on the break of that resistance. But again, I would not feel comfortable buying at these levels. So, just want to do a quick recap of shrimp. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe to the channel. I do put out daily videos for the Canadian MJ sector as well as the broad stock market as a whole. So if you guys want to check those videos out, they are on my channel. And we'll tune in tomorrow. Have a good one.